non-revenue water is still a great challenge. Nationally, according to the Performance Impact Report number 16, released in the year 2022-2023 by the Water Services Regulatory Board, in this region, the average NRW is around 60%, which is way above the national average of 43%. No water service provider among the 47 counties has attained non-revenue water level within the acceptable benchmark of less than 25%. This is a clear indicator that a lot still needs to be done to increase operational efficiency. I have been briefed that a lot was achieved in the previous strategic plan of the year 2019-2022. This was possible because the government mobilized approximately Kenya shillings 36 billion during the period for the implementation of projects in this region alone. The ministry, through the agency, had a target to increase water service coverage from 53% to 80% by the year 2022, but only managed to achieve 50% of the target. On sanitation coverage, we had aimed to ensure an increase from 17% to 43% and realized a 20% coverage. This involved reaching over 845,000 people with water by drilling and equipping more than 157 boreholes in schools and other learning institutions under the Water for Schools program, and serving a population of 100,000 by implementing that one project under Universal Health Coverage Program. This new plan seeks to increase water supply coverage from around 58% to 70% and increase sanitation to 40% from 27% by the year 2027-2028. I believe we are and always have been on the right path. To realize the dream, a total of 48 billion is required. The current estimated resource allocation is 28 billion with a variance of around 19 billion, expected to be achieved through resource mobilization. Our resource mobilization departments have to be vigilant and work around the clock to achieve this.
Let's be adaptive and be able to do what we are to respond to the changing environment. I think there are a number of things, and I'm glad it has been said. What I want to just emphasize on is the need for the county governments and ourselves to collaborate so that we are able to safeguard the investments that we have put into our places. We invest in the bulk water systems. The county governments are supposed to manage the last mile connectivity and service provision. There has been a weakness in that area, and I'm glad that we are strengthening intergovernmental collaboration so that we can put more emphasis